Hear the sound of the fatherless crying. Who will go for us? Who will shout to the corners of the earth that Christ is King?
Sudan in the north were being affected with a terrible disease. It will touch the skin, the flesh, and the bones.
Hear the sound of the nations, the sound of the nations calling. Hear the sound of the fatherless crying. Who will go for us? Who will go for us?
Nagkaroon ng milagro, Mike. Dininig yung panalangin ng maraming Pilipino nang nasa itaas. Mga siyentipiko man tila naniniwala sa pag-aadya na may kapal sa pagbaba ng lakas ng bagyong Ruby. Mula sa 215 kilometers per hour, naging 195 kilometers per hour ang lakas ng bagyo.
Habang tumatagal, lalong ihina siya. So we would expect that it will weaken until landfall, until even after landfall hanggang mag-exit siya. So hindi na siya magiging super typhoon. Baka ito na yung pagdadasal ng lahat ng Pilipino.
Shout to the corners of the earth that Christ is King. We speak to nations.
Typhoon Nita dumped over 300 millimeters of rain in the Philippines before tearing through the South China Sea on its way to Hong Kong. According to scientists, the heavy rain and harsh winds brought by the region's infamously strong storms, coupled with the constant waves and rising sea levels, pose a serious threat to China's buildings, which were constructed on fragile, damaged reefs. China has repaired the damaged section, but it remains to be seen how long the structures will be able to withstand nature's fury.
We speak to nations. Fall on
Isang bagyo at isang low pressure area ang nagpapaulan ngayon sa ating bansa.
At yung lakas niya yan, yun ang magiging dahilan upang yung low pressure area rito, higupin nitong bagyong Paulo habang ito ay kumikilos patungo naman ng Southern Island.
Tama ho ba, mas mabuti na mahina itong LPA dito sa left of the map, no, ng inyo pong mapa? Kasi pag malakas yan, at kung mahina po yung LPA, hinigop siya nung bagyo, nitong si Paulo. Pag malakas po itong LPA, baka hilain niya, papalapit sa lupa. So sa ngayon, things are looking okay.
Makikita natin dito sa satellite image nito na itong kaulapan na ito, masa na kulay pula, ito po yung kaulapan ng bagyong Sikedan. Ang sentro po niya banda rito, pero makikita natin dahil po dun sa wind shear, ito po ay ang mga kaulapan po ay mas nandito po sa bandang southwestern part po ng bagyo at wala po masyado sa taas.
power